Hello, Harvested here. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues and problems with your Grab app on your phone. So first thing that you want to do is go up to the Play Store, go here, search your Grab app, Grab, and check if you have the newest version of the app. I don't have, so I'm gonna go and update the app. After updating the app, there shouldn't be any issues with the app, but if you still got some issues after updating, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. So first, we go up to the settings, apps, see all the apps, finder, Grab, go here, permissions, and maybe you just need to allow, not allowed permissions, like here, and every single one of them. Go to Wi-Fi data usage and unrestricted mobile data usage, like here, and after this everything should be fine with the app. But if it's not, I'm gonna show you last way. So last way is go back to the Play Store, uninstall the app, and just reinstall the app. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.